Welcome to Jaz Kiddies 3-letter words.
Wow, let's learn together.
ACE is ace.
ACE is ace.
ACE is ace.
ACE is ace.
ACT is act.
ACT is act.
ACT is act.
ACT is act.
ADD is add.
ADD is add.
ADD is add.
ADD is add.
AGE is age.
AGE is age.
AGE is age.
AGE is age.
AGO is a go.
AGO is a go.
AGO is a go.
AGO is a go.
AID is aid.
AID is aid.
AID is aid.
AID is aid.
AIM is aim.
AIM is aim.
AIM is aim.
AIM is aim.
AIR is air.
AIR is air.
AIR is air.
AIR is air.
ALE is ale.
ALE is ale.
ALE is ale.
ALE is ale.
ALL is all.
ALL is all.
ALL is all.
ALL is all.
AND is and.
AND is and.
AND is and.
AND is and.
ANT is ant.
ANT is ant.
ANT is ant.
ANT is ant.
ANY is any.
ANY is any.
ANY is any.
ANY is any.
ARC is arc.
ARC is arc.
ARC is arc.
ARC is arc.
APE is ape.
APE is ape.
APE is ape.
APE is ape.
ARE is R.
ARE is R.
ARE is R.
ARE is R.
ARM is arm.
ARM is arm.
ARM is arm.
ARM is arm.
ART is art.
ART is art.
ART is art.
ART is art.
ASH is ash.
ASH is ash.
ASH is ash.
ASH is ash.
ASK is ask.
ASK is ask.
ASK is ask.
ASK is ask.
ATE is eight.
ATE is eight.
ATE is eight.
ATE is eight.
AXE is axe.
AXE is axe.
AXE is axe.
AXE is axe.
Hello, lovelies. This ends the lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please watch again for memorization. See you next time. Bye.